Is your lawn getting overgrown because your mower is difficult to start, hard to push, or just doesn't give you the results you want? This mower solved that problem for me, and stick around until the end because I'll show you exactly how it transformed my front yard routine and made mowing so much easier. I needed something reliable that could easily tackle the grass in our front yard. I didn't want anything overly complicated, and I wanted a mower that would start when I needed it and get the job done without a lot of frustration. This ended up being exactly what I was looking for. The first thing I noticed was the build quality. It has a durable 18-inch steel deck that feels solid and well-made. Assembly took my son about 45 minutes, which was very reasonable, and once it was put together, it was ready to go. This mower features a 4-stroke gas engine with an auto choke system and primer design that helps make starting easier. If you've ever struggled pulling a mower over and over, you'll appreciate that feature. It also has a side discharge design. Just so you know, this model doesn't include a grass collection bag. Instead, it disperses the clippings back onto the lawn, which can help return nutrients to the grass while saving you from constantly stopping to empty a bag. Another feature I really like is the dual lever height adjustment. You get 5 cutting positions ranging from 1.5 inches all the way up to 3.9 inches, making it easy to customize your cut depending on the season and your lawn's needs. The wheel design also makes a difference. The double ball bearing wheels help it move smoothly, and handle turns surprisingly well. It feels easy to maneuver even around landscaping and tighter areas. If you're worried about whether a gas mower is still worth it, I can tell you I love the freedom of not having to worry about charging batteries before mowing. Just add gas and you're ready to go. What this mower has done for me is simple. It's made lawn care faster, easier, and more dependable. My front yard looks clean, evenly cut, and well maintained without a lot of extra effort. If I can make one thing easier in your life today, let it be this. This mower fixed my problem by giving me a reliable, easy-to-use machine that starts easily, handles my yard with confidence, and leaves my lawn looking great every time. Check it out today. You'll be so glad you did.